Yanko number 14. Bitcoin will suffer massively for a short period. There will be a lot of new regulations in the crypto market due to the global instability economically. The crypto market will recover eventually. There will be two falls, one in early of the year and the latter part of the year. So say you do springtime, the time of spring, that time, crypto no a bit lose big time. Then I make us say some leading coin to say Ethereum and now to say Bitcoin. Bitcoin lose better 40 to 70% in value. So that make a very short time, but a bit wipe out amount for investment. By time I focus on there will be two falls in the year 2026. The first one will be early in the year during the springtime, and then the latter part, after late in summer. Until around July, August, ho baby, September, ho baby, and a second fall no so ebe sign aba.